What if ranking your pages, videos, and offers took minutes, not months? DFY Suite 7.0 is the newest evolution of the done-for-you syndication platform that helps you build real authority, earn higher positions, and unlock steady, targeted traffic without managing a single server or learning complicated tools. Here's how it works. Paste your URL, add your keywords, choose your niche and locations, set your campaign size and speed, and click Go. DFY Suite 7.0 handles the heavy lifting, creating natural content variations, distributing them across a diversified network of quality properties, dripping signals like a human would, and delivering clean, shareable reports. What's new in 7.0? Smarter scheduling for safer, steadier growth. A cleaner dashboard that gets you from idea to campaign in fewer clicks. A deeper, continually refreshed network for broader reach. Faster index assist to help your links get discovered sooner. An improved content engine, multilingual options for global campaigns, and local boosters such as map and citation embeds. Plus team seats and client-ready exports for agencies. Whether you're launching a niche site, ranking a product page, boosting a YouTube video, or helping a local business stand out, DFY Suite 7.0 helps you scale results without scaling effort. It's perfect for beginners who want a simple, guided workflow, and for pros who need dependable, repeatable outcomes at volume. Ready to simplify your rankings? Log in, drop in your link, choose your keywords, and launch your campaign today with DFY Suite 7.0, the done-for-you shortcut to sustainable visibility. No proxies, no captchas, no writing from scratch. Just proven, hands-off syndication that works while you focus on creating offers and closing sales. Start winning more rankings.